Okay, I'm making this video for Mr. I don't know if I pronounce it Sabatim Forest Factory. Post a question on my thread, right? All right. So if you're watching this, Mr. Sabatim, trying to answer your question because sometimes an answer need an explanation. It's not that simple and easy because you've probably been through the systems which are just So let me show you what it is, okay? And you're right that I do not show my losers. I do have losers, but once in a while, and you will see why. Okay, just pay attention here. This is USD yen, and it's my special charts. You know that these are special candles. I use 40-minute and 20-minute chart. This is 40-minute chart. This was the entry, a trade that I did. I closed around this area. Little pullback, this indicator all the way down, another entry. This is, you can see here, and it went all the way. I just showing you here because, and I didn't go all the way with it. I probably closed a little bit higher than this. I know that, I remember. But then again, after a dip, I went long again. But why long? And why am I doing this? You just long USD yen. What is the reason behind it? It's only the system? No. Okay. There are a couple of studies that I do before, and I teach that in my webinars and all my, give the charts and everything, my before charts and all that. Let me show it to you. This was my chart. Okay. I made this chart, and you can see how much study and how much work I have done on this. And I explain this everything. This is my before chart that it is a setup ready to be traded. Okay. September. If 50% hold, might go back to 23.6% line. This is 50% line. This is the line. This is the areas 101.23, 101.67 right above it. This is 101.44 and 50%. Powerful area, right? And 125 parity. So I said if we hold, if then is very important. Nothing is for sure in this forex market. You make a decision. Yeah, if that happens, if we start going up, I'll go long. If I see the price is dropping, I'll drop, I'll go short. Simple as that, right? So that's the idea. If we stay here and then if we go above. But what gives us, or me, that it is going up now? What is the scenario? What is the confirmation that, yeah, it is going up? And now you see, you got to trade to the long side. Or maybe it is ranging for it. It might range from here, may 2-3 months ranging, not go nowhere. But there are a couple of things. First, what I do is I check individual currency index, like USD alone and yen alone. There's an indexes. Let me show it to you. Where are they? They are here. See, this is the pound index individual chart, like this yen LFX yen index. This is a weekly chart which is blank. I don't know what happened. I probably got the blank one here. I don't know. Just showing these levels. See, I have this chart at this level. Let me show you the Aussie. How you will see the picture. See, this is how Aussie weekly chart looks like. All the highs and lows, and this is probably, like you can see, pound index, monthly chart. So this is, I have also for weekly index chart with all the highs and lows, probably here somewhere. Let me show it to you real quick. I'll put it on. What happened? Oh man, this stupid virus in my computer. Okay, so yen index, for example, if I go and see, I try to, oh, okay. And this is another broker. Let me show you. This is gonna be not gonna be here. I don't want to change it, man. Hold on, let me change it. USD yen. I'll save the profile first. Okay, hold on just a minute. I don't want to lose all the work I did. Oops. Okay, here we go. And I will go to show you the yen index. Okay, This is my yen index. I have made profiles, all the, one single pair charts, monthly, weekly, daily, this, that. All right, this is yen index chart. Okay. For example, if I show you that I was expecting this bounce, and it went up. So all these highs and lows and everything in place, right? And quickly, if I can go here, and I'll show you index chart what I was expecting. You will have a clear picture. For example, I'll show you this one recent chart. Not to see this one from here. It's supposed to go here, 13 November. That means yen index going up means yen is getting weaker, right? So I was expecting a weakness above this number for a long time. And what happened to this chart? Here, it went there, right? So yen is getting weaker means all the yen pairs will be going up. That's one correction, understanding. Now let me go back. So yen is right here. See the yen index, monthly chart. Then I have a weekly chart and all that in place. So yen was getting weaker. Now we go back to the chart I was on, USD yen, right? I have to bring that index template on the other side, other broker here. Okay, so all of these highs and lows I have point out. So yen was getting up, and watch this, not yen index here. Okay, 20-minute chart is messed up. So yeah, this is no 40-minute chart. So this is 20-minute chart, and see September 19 price started to go. This is my system, that these waves, magic wave which I call, right? So price is above the wave, bullish, price is below the wave, bearish. Simple as that. But now if the yen index is below the wave here, right? So I wouldn't do anything. If it goes up here and then come back and bounce from the wave again and start going up, then it's bullish. But see, notice that if it goes up and then it comes down, it doesn't give me any bullish sign. Then it goes up and it comes down, no sign, down. But here it goes up and this indicator is coming down and coming down and coming down means now it's gonna go up. This indicator is very important. It is showing that it's not gonna go up. Okay, bullish scenario. So yen start going up. So I have a confirmation that okay, USD yen will start moving to the upside. What was the date here? November 9th. Okay, so we go on the USD side and we notice that USD yen also went above the wave around November 9. Okay, so now you see all these levels, where they come from, these horizontal lines and these, nothing but highs and lows of these. See, 101.23, 101.67, and 101.44. Very close by levels, they are all up here, all these three, right? So price basically drop here in this scenario and bounce. Strong area to bounce, obviously. So when it bounce, it goes up all the way here, and I don't know which line is that, 107.20. I don't have it written here, but let me remove it because if it's not written, it's not nothing. So first we hit 105.47. This is the 103.48, 103.73. Where are these levels? What important it is? See, this is very important. 103.73, and there are some 103.48. So above that, we got bullish. Now we have this number to take out, 105.45. Very important, right? We take out this one, and then we have 108.97. Then we have 110.51. 108.21 is gone. 108.97. 110.51. Then 110.65. Then 111.78. 111.65. Step by step by step. Then finally 113.65. Why? Because my long-term chart saying that we need to go back to 23.6% line, which is 113.98. This is 113.65. So that was ultimate target. Okay, so far so good. Now go back and see what happened. It went above 105.45. Dip a little bit, indicators all the way down, red candle turn into blue. I open a trade here. Do you see that price comes and take my SL? No, right? There is no chance. Clear, solid entry. Again, it went all the way down and poked into or above 107, 108.97. Strong number. We just saw 108.97. Where is it? This low here. Okay. So we're trying to take it out very successfully. We went above it, came back in this high, held here, and then red candle turned into bullish blue candle. I open a trade. Indicators all the way down in these couple of red lines. Where do you see that my the price comes and take out my SL? SL in this case on a 40-minute chart is 30 pip, 30 to 35 pip. 20-minute chart is even better. It is only that's the one. That's the chart that usually hit my SL once in a while even. Right? This one hardly. That one is 25 pip SL. The idea is I'll show you when I expand the candles. Okay. Now you see this third one again, indicators all the way down, red, 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 turn into blue and then gone. Then this one again gone. So I had this trade, you can see here, no chance of SL hitting and all the way up. Then close in this area is wobbling and close. Here this one straight going up, up, up and gone. More wobbling and there's a level, close. 100, 100, around that close. And if the day is over, close. If I am very much in profit, then I don't close. Okay, these two entries, let me show you where are they. This one and this one. Look how far we went. Look what this line is. 113.65. You see the level here? 113.65. 23.6% line. 113.98. Right on the dot. We hit that level. So from here to here, I'm doing all long, long, long. And this is my last long here. I saw another opportunity. Indicators all the way down. This is a 20-minute entry. I could have taken this one. I think I took it. I took this one. I took this one. Playing around. And the other broker, this broker, that broker. Different platforms you have, different accounts you have, and you can keep playing this thing. But on one side, which is your analysis showing that it's going in that direction, and it is going very strongly. Every time it hit this the resistance, it will pop into, it will drop, and then give you a solid entry, and then you go. And right around here, you can see this is 113.73, 113.65. Close the trade. Bye bye. Thank you very much. Now it's gonna drop. You see how easy it is. And if you ask me that you don't, and if for example here, this one, no, let me go here and 20-minute and now open it. For example, just to show you clear, look, for example, this entry here, right? Okay, still it's bearish. It got, you see this all tang around here, this wave, so it's no good until it is clear. Maybe right around here it will be clear. But for example, this entry here, okay, red, 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 and then indicators all the way down, going up. This candle, this white candle, is the trigger candle, and the next blue candle is the reverse trigger candle, sorry, and this white candle is a reversal candle. Okay, and stop is all the way in the back. So let's calculate. First blue candle high right here is 89, 112.89. Low is 65. So 65, 75, 85, and 89. 24 pip, right? That's what I said, right? 25 pip. It is always 25 pip. So if, for example, if it comes back and hit, let's say if you make an entry here, right? It should not be, because you know that you have just hit big level here, 113.65. This is what the see, this 113.65, and right here I closed that trade, the last trade I did. Okay, and now I'm not gonna trade this pair. I'll wait for the next setup and see if it drops. Okay, if USD start getting weaker, then it will drop. Anyway, so this is how it is. If this thing hits your SL, 25 pip lose. But if it is good, then what? You know what I'm saying? So is it worth it to show all those losers? In fact, there are few only, right? It's not, because I'm here to teach you how to make money and how to be profitable and do the profitable trades. Not, I'm not going to teach you how to lose, not even show, because it's not worth it. Okay, negativity is out of the market in my business. Okay, I would not show you negativity. I'm going to show you positivity, but I'm also showing you, explaining you that there is very little if you play by the rule. If you say, yeah, you get the system and everything, but I don't like to use SL, I'm confident, and no, you're gonna get burned, bro. You have to, you must follow the instructions and the rule. The rules are there to obey, not to break. Simple as that. Any of these things, any of this, you show me where the price came back and hit in 1000 pip run. There's no way. It's in front of you. Okay, so this is what happened. All right, and if there are, like I said, if there are few, and if you watch my videos, I always talk about it. In fact, Friday I got hit 3 times and I didn't make any. I think I had no winning trade. Sorry, that's what happens. It's Black Friday. Okay, my trading went blank as well. So that happens. There was a trade, pound Aussie trade on election day, the same night when the Trump started winning. I had like 500 pip run in just one entry. So really, do I care about losing 25 pip or 30 pip once in a while? If I make this and this and this and this, probably 600-700 pip, and 2 SL hits 30 pip each, who cares? That's the idea. Okay, and all of those pairs, I don't have time and I don't want to make a long video, but you can go on my website and see that I show you. Okay, here, another thing. Do you know how much from here to here? When we are going strongly to the upside, I said we're gonna make a turn from here, and people were saying that you are crazy. It's such a strong move, like this one, like that one. It's gonna go up. It's this and that, blah blah blah. I said, okay, whatever. I'm just saying that it's gonna make a turn. I'm not making it turn, right? Okay, so I'll see. But when it start coming down below the wave, giving me short entries, I start shorting it. 4,500 pip, 4,500 pip, all the way down here to touchdown. Look at this. So once I have the analysis like that in my hand, what's there to, you just pay attention, get your 40-minute chart and 40-minute chart. And by the way, I have an EA. I made an EA that beeps when the setup is there, so you don't even have to glue to the screen all the time to take entries. Just forget about it, and if you put it on, if you are doing something like if you in the office or in the house, you can do other things, watch TV or do other chores. And when you start beeping, then you come and say, what is happening? And then if it is a good one, and if it is going along with your trade analysis, okay, usually I make these charts and I give it to my subscribers, okay, and they take it from there. What is this one here? Oh yeah, I just showed you the this yen. Pound yen, similarly, this pound yen chart was similar. Pound yen was like here, and I said that it's gonna go up for 140, and then first target would be 140. The charts are on my website. You can see. Okay, the first target was 140, and then it went up straight and hit 140, and we are at 141. And in the meantime, I was hitting long. Maybe I can show you here. Pound yen, you can see this, right? And then 40 pip because of that chart there. This is right around here. It is 139 or 140. We actually poke in 140. We drop here, and then the TL was a little bit above it. So I said, well, let's go and hit the TL, and it went up. And this was a chart. So yeah, it is here. See, I said it's gonna go up here. First target is 140, and went to 141, and and then I have my longs. Okay, this was hitting exactly, so with a powerful level. This is also what you can do it, even if you are a little bit below on a 20-minute chart. because in on 20-minute chart, if you can come down a little bit, you are actually making a setup on a 40-minute chart. So once you become a subscriber, and then people, you spend maybe 4 or 5 days a week, then you don't understand the whole thing. And probably here another one, pound yen. I had another one here, 140 pip right here. See, November 21 was going down, up, or actually it came down and then bounced, and it came a little bit below, but there was a level, very strong level there. Made an entry, went up all the way. So this is how it is. Okay, it is not a fluke, or it is not, well, like this one here, from here to here. Can you imagine going up there for any reason? But I had the reason, and I had the calculation, and I had said that it's gonna go, and it went up straight. I have so many charts like that. So many. And I don't do trading without the long-term analysis. No, I would not touch a pair. I'm not using actually trading Euro USD that much, because that thing is completely messed up. Once in a while, I do a small trade on that. That's it. Okay, but because Euro is in very bad triangle. Okay, and harmonic patterns, Elliott wave count. I put everything into consideration before making an confirming a chart that yes, this price is gonna go from here to there on a weekly basis or a monthly chart, and then I wait for the move to happen. If the move it happens, and if it properly goes and give me proper setups in my 40-minute chart and 20-minute charts, I take the entries and take. That's why you see all those trades on my website. Okay, I hope I answer it, but if after that still it is annoying, that what can I tell you? Okay, a lot of things work for somebody, but doesn't work for other people, right? So this is how it is. Okay, I hope I am, I answer your question. That's all I can say. All right. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.